Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you.
It's kind of dark and you can't see me, but what's up, guys? You already know it's Big KC. We back here, and Kobe's fixing up the M3 right now, and he's getting all that rust off with this little gun thing. So let's see how that's going. You know what I mean? Oh my! Oh my! Let me see the progress so far. I don't know how to flip the camera, so right here. I'm gonna stop it and then I'm gonna flip the camera. Oh yeah. There's a lot of dust coming off, getting in my lungs right now.
I think we're gonna drop the cart out so I can sit down.
It's looking nice though.
Yeah.
You know what? Actually, pause that.
Alright, we got Brandon out here working on the car. Woo!
Give me those. Yep.